Hello! Today I am making easy, no-bake protein balls. In a bowl, add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 2/3 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, 1/2 cup of ground flaxseed, 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Don't forget to get all of the peanut butter out of the measuring cup. 1/3 cup of honey. Once again, use your spatula to incorporate all of the honey. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I somehow forgot to add this until later. Stir everything together until thoroughly combined. Spread the mixture along the sides of the bowl. This will help it chill faster. Cover the mixing bowl and chill in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours or until the mixture is chilled. This will help the mixture stick together more easily. Scrape the sides and then use a spoon or your hands to roll the mixture into balls. I recommend squeezing it first and then rolling it into a ball shape. I made 15 large balls, but you can also make smaller balls if desired. I was able to make a few. Serve and enjoy immediately. Or you can also refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 1 week or freeze it for up to 3 months.